I welcome today with a spirit of gratitude. I am grateful for the air that is filling my lungs. I am grateful for the heart that pumps blood through my body. I am grateful for the heart to forgive even those who come and never will apologize.
It's the post office, y'all. About to drop a package off. Package off. Stuff from the post office. Okay, we are on our way to check two of my machines. I had got notified that one of my snack machine is almost, all the stack is almost gone, and it's not accepting dollar bills. He said it might be because the cash box might be full. I don't know. I won't know till I get there. So, and also we're gonna check on one of my gumball machine. We just dropped the package off for a customer. And also I do have a snack business, candy snack business. Y'all make sure to check out the link below of this video. Look in the description box. Okay, so we are going to go check on this machine. They said it wasn't hardly no snacks in there, and there's a couple things we're gonna switch out. So we're gonna try maybe some wrap snacks, some international snacks. Wow, really? Before we start pulling cash out the machine and stuff, y'all make sure y'all comment, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, that way y'all, if y'all want to see more videos like these, drop a comment, like and subscribe, and share all that good stuff. Okay, so seeing I did lost a location, Letha's Barbecue Restaurant. They didn't went out of business, it's just that they couldn't renew the lease on the building. They kicked them out, started remodeling the building, then they moved somebody else in there. So they kind of did them wrong. It's part of business. It's better, bigger things. But yeah, so there's cars, quick labor, and auto repair. That's where one of my snacks. I'm about to go in. Y'all, just empty. Okay, let's see what's going on. Y'all, we're about to open it. Right, got some cash there. It's the coin box. Oh y'all, them a lot of dollars. Got a bill jam. Oh y'all, them a lot of dollars. I don't know if it was helping me to fix I think it was a flash right here, and it was accepting dollar bills. So hopefully, we keep our finger crossed, hope he fixed it, y'all, because this part was flashing. And that was a piece of candy paper. This might have been the problem, y'all. This was stuck in the dollar bill. I don't know who did that, but anyway, we're gonna fill this machine. We collected the money, so there was no dollar bill stuck in there or not. This machine is empty. I'm gonna have to refill it again. Got to fill this up with some honey buns. Cupcakes, y'all. We're gonna try these out. New snacks. I'm gonna put some of these wrap snacks in here. Okay. Got some wrap snacks. You in here just to test them out, y'all. See how they work. Nicki Minaj. Tricks biscuits. Let's see if they will sit up. But let's see. I had to put it to the side, y'all. We got some peanut butter crackers going, cookies going in here.
Okay, silver coin. Okay.
We got these here. These. We already got the apple cinnamon. Got some of those in here. And fill these. They love Skittles. Got the Skittles here. I'll be selling out of these as well. These are one of my best sellers. Y'all, now we're going to fill my Nutter Butters up. Okay, whatchamacallit here, y'all. Okay, more sneakers here. Some dry freeze candy. These are the dry freeze Skittle candy. We got chips Yahoo here. Start from there. We got some of these vanilla cream cookies here. Fill it all the way to the back. We got these cheddar cheese crackers as well. So we're gonna put some of these back in here. Kind of see like they kind of like these very well. Put some nerves clusters back in here. They like these pretty well. Got the blue one. We got some of these onion, steakhouse onions. Got some hot Chester fries. Got some famous Amos cookies here. Fully stock. Y'all, we were sold out. We got some new items, whatchamacallit. I put another flavor of these in here. We got some Reese's cupcakes. We got some dry freeze Skittles. We got these in here. These are new. All the Wow Snack is new, so we're just testing out of my machine. And these are 2 new as well. All right. I put 2 little free snacks there. But it's back fully stocked, y'all. Now we're gonna clean the bill validator. Make sure the bill validator is working properly. And this will be good to go, y'all. All right, y'all, we're about to test it out. About to clean it. We're gonna do this a couple times. These are alcohol pads. It is fully stocked again. Off to the other location, y'all. So the owner in there had helped me fix my bill validator because I was trying to figure out what was going on with it. As y'all see, I don't know, somebody, it might have been a child or something, tried to stick a candy paper in my machine, and that messed up the machine. So lucky my machine didn't get messed up from that. So he had some schools, and they fix cars, so he had helped me out. He was a big blessing on that one. The bill validator wasn't full with cash or nothing like that, so that's why I kept figuring like it had to be something jammed. So, but yeah. All right, y'all, we at R&R Tire Shop. About to check on my machine. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Alright, y'all, we are here to check on the machine. Okay. Y'all, look at that. Y'all, they are low on peanut M&Ms. Pretty good on Skittles. But yeah, we're gonna clean it up and stuff. Fill it up. We done wiped it down and everything. We're gonna give it another wipe down as soon as I put the key in. Another good wipe down, y'all. All right, y'all, we done. The coins, y'all. Oh God, this is heavy. Oh my God, y'all. Oh God, look at all that. Look at all these quarters. Wow. Oh my God. And this is like 3 months worth. I have not been here in 3 months, but yeah, dumping this in the rest of it in the bag. Spray this down and fill the machine up with more candy. They are good.